Hello, friends. Today's lesson is on the Dust Bowl, which you heard about earlier in this week in the vocabulary video. We're just going to review a few vocabulary words to help you with today's reading. So the first word we have is drought. All right, we also saw this word yesterday in the causes of the Great Depression. And a drought is when a place goes a long time without water. And you can see here from the picture, these plants are dried up. All right, the ground is dry and the plants are starting to die because there's a drought. There hasn't been water for a long time. Examples could be if it doesn't rain in a place for a long time, plants start to die, such as in a desert. Okay, in a desert, we have many droughts, like here in Arizona, where it doesn't rain for months and months. All right, and in terms of parts of speech, drought is a noun. Go ahead and repeat or sign the word drought to yourself, please. And let's move on. The next word we have, friends, is topsoil. Go ahead and repeat or sign the word topsoil. And the meaning of topsoil is the top layer of soil or the top layer of the ground. Okay, and you can see from the picture, all right, this is the topsoil, this grass that's rolled up. All right, they're putting it on top of the dirt. Okay, topsoil. And examples of this are the top layer of the ground where grass and plants grow, just like you see here in this picture. Okay. Now a question is, what is topsoil similar to? And the answer could be, it's kind of like a blanket for the ground and it protects everything underneath it. All right. If we didn't have this blanket of grass, this topsoil, all this dirt would get dry and blow away. Go ahead and repeat or sign that word one more time, topsoil. And let's move on to the very last word for this activity, and that is dust bowl. Go ahead and repeat or sign the word dust bowl. And dust bowl is a time in America where plants died and the ground turned into dust. And you can see from this picture here, there's a huge dust cloud. It's a dust storm, actually. They would call them black blizzards, all right, that's blowing through. So here, in this case, this picture is from the Midwest, in places like Oklahoma and Kansas. All the plants on the top of the ground died, and it didn't have that blanket anymore. So all the dirt underneath dried up and then got caught in the air and created these huge dust storms. Okay, and that's an example of it. A question we have is, was the Dust Bowl good for farmers? Well, if you think about it, farmers need to grow crops. That's their job, right? But if there's no topsoil and the ground is super dry and starts to blow away, is that good for them? The answer is no, right? Because of the Dust Bowl, it meant they couldn't grow crops. And if farmers can't grow crops, they can't make any money. They can't feed people. All right? So go ahead and repeat or sign that word one more time, Dust Bowl. All right, friends, and you are going to watch a quick video and then do a quick reading with some questions. All right, if you need any help, make sure you reach out to Mr. Will or Mr. James. Thank you so much.